Nigerian stock market is still one of the best stock market in the whole wide world right now. Nigerian stock market overtakes South Korea as world best performer year to date. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coach David Hephzibah, and this is the first time you are seeing my video. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button, and also so that anytime I drop a super amazing video like this, you will be notified immediately. You are welcome back to this channel again. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about one hottest stocks that is going to benefit from Dangote Refinery. There's a lot going on this Dangote Refinery of 18. Everybody's talking about it, and we are hearing news that very soon it will be listed in the Nigerian stock market. But come to think of it, we saw a correction in the month of June, right? So we saw how share index touch 254,000 basis point, which shows that there's a bullish season in the market. A lot of buyers are outweighing the sellers in the market. Then from there, we saw a pullback from 254 to as low as 225. So what really happened was just because of profit takers in the market, and a lot of people are selling their stock right now, right, to position themselves on Dangote Refinery. But one thing you need to realize is that there's been a lot of hype on this stock. You know, people have already packing up money, selling their good company stocks to position themselves for the stock market, which is not really bad, right? Everybody has their own opinion of how they use their money. But one hot stock that is going to benefit from this massive buying from Dangote Refinery is what I've come to share with you. We have four of them already in my community, and I said, okay, let me give one to my YouTube community because you guys are amazing, right? Okay, so this company is going to benefit massively, and also during the correction from here right now, right, to here, this correction that happens here, this company that I'm about to tell you benefits a lot from it, and it shows in their financials, which we are going to be doing very soon right now, right? But let's even look at what is going on in the market. So, because one thing you need to realize that the reason why it seems that our capital market is doing really well now is because our CBN and federal government are doing something that is making our currency to be more stronger. And one of the things is foreign portfolio investors. So who are foreign portfolio investors? There are people in Germany, Canada, US, people who have real money. Like these are the kind of people that invest billions and billions of naira, and they are coming to our financial market right now. Why are they coming? It's because they realize that our Federal Reserve is solid. Right now, our Federal Reserve is sitting around 52 billion US dollars, meaning that with that money, government can pay, can settle on some bills. Government can defend if there's any financial uncertainty, right? So it is very good for us. And with that, we have already seen the interest of Dow Jones saying, oh, they have put our stock market into their watch list, meaning that we might see a lot of foreign portfolio investors trooping into our stock market, our financial market very soon. Let's say next year, right? But whether and when these people come, there is one stock that will benefit from the inflows of foreign portfolio investors, and this is what I'm about to share with you. So let's even look at our share in there. What is going on in the market? Who is losing and who is winning? Right now, we are seeing a bullish momentum, which means that there's a lot of buying activities more than selling activities. Let's assume we are seeing red right now from here to here, which shows that, oh, a lot of people are already selling their stock. But this also index actually track what is really going on in the financial market in terms of stock market, right? So we are seeing a bullish candle. We might see a temporary candle. We should not be worried when you invest in the good companies, right? So inflation right now, that US is still contemplating whether they should cut rates. But based on the war going on between Israel and the US and Iran, they are trying to say the Fed president is saying we have to put a pause on the Fed whether we are going to cut rate. And once the rate is being cut, it has a way of affecting their bonds, their fixed income. And once it's been affected, people are going to sell their fixed income assets and move into countries with high yield in terms of investment. Okay, so it's just a normal way, of for people, right? So, and if they increase rate, which shows that the investment they're going to make on their on the return they're going to make on their investment is going to be very high, right? So, but now JP Morgan is actually saying, oh, they are projecting that the rate may still be around 4%. And if it is around 4%, 3 to 4%, which shows that it is still very good for all these foreign portfolio. So just imagine you are borrowing money from the government, let's say 100,000 US dollars, and you decided to invest that. Year to day, right now, our stock market has performed 68% in terms of dollar terms of investment, which is really, really great. So we're in for a lot of massive flow. But I just hope that the CBN and the federal government don't make decisions that will blow this up, right? So, but now our economy is booming. All right. So now let's look into the stocks that I'm here to share with us. But please, disclaimer: this is not a financial advice. Every analysis you see me doing on this channel is based on my personal conviction. Don't go and buy the stuff because you sell me shooting a video. It's based on your personal conviction. So it is based on my personal conviction. Let's look at what is going on in the oil, global oil sector. So let's see what is going on, because we can't just say we are buying stock without looking at what is going on. So let's look at Brent. What is really going on right now? So we saw during March, right? During March, around this zone, this is when the war between Iran and Israel started, right? And US, right? We see oil price move from 69 boom to as high as $115 US dollars. So this is basically what track how much a global crude oil is being sold in the global market, right? So if you look at it, and you also know that Nigerian is a oil countries, right? So that's if you say okay, you don't understand this, just go to any filling station. You see that the amount you used to buy that oil last year is not the same right now. It's because of what is going on, because Israel and the Middle East has a way of impacting how much the price of oil is being sold in the market. And we also, because of this right now, we also saw a bull run in NGS oil, right? We saw a bull run in NGS oil and gas. So let's look at NGS oil and gas. Let's see what's going on, right? We saw a bull run. Look at this massive bull run because of the oil right now. So we are seeing a pullback right now. So uh, oil and gas sectors may be declining right now, right? Because they have had their own shares of the money. So where is the money moving right now? And I'm going to tell you the sector. I'm also going to tell you the stock, right? So if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, hit the notification button so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you will be notified immediately. And I have a lot of videos already on this channel, all right? So let's jump into it. So the stock today is NGS Group. So let me NGS Group, right? Remember, I show you a correction that happens. Remember, I show you a correction that happens in the Nigerian stock market, right? So this stock benefit whenever you sell your stock. This, if you look at your contract and notification, anytime you buy stock, they'll send you a mail. Just look at it, open it, and look at. Many of us don't look at it, right? Just look at it. You're going to see NGS charges, NGS fees. These are the people that keep tracks of your stock trade, the one you sold, the one you buy. So this company is there to generate massive money, especially when you're going to see a massive influx of people from diasporas, from Egypt, from US, from Canada. They are coming to invest in Dangote Refinery. And this one, it just standing there gidigba to say, you know what, when you come and buy, we're going to make money, right? As you all know me, I'm a man of businesses. If the business is not doing really well, I'm out of it. And if it's doing well, whether the stock is doing bad, so far their business is still running cash flow. So let's look at what happens in the markets, right? So let's look. So here we see that NGS cap hit 160 trillion US dollars. Investor gain around 1.9 trillion. Or more money dey this country, right? So let's move with just to also show you that Nigerian stock market is doing really, really well, right? So let's look at the fundamentals of this company. Okay, subscribe if you have not, and I'm also going to tell you when exactly I'm buying this stock. Okay, so don't just jump out now and say, oh, I've seen the stock. You might buy at higher high. When you buy at higher high and you lose your money, Coach David is not going to be blamed for that. So watch this video to the end so that I will tell you the exact price I'm going to be buying this stock. Okay, so let's look at their revenue. So let me just try and let's look at their revenue in terms of cash flow. In Q2 2025, what do you see? 4.5 billion. But what do you see right now? Q2 2026, we are seeing 10.3. That's about 128% or more. 128% growth in revenue. 128%. These guys are massive, right? Let's look at other income from 764 million to 1.5 billion. Massive. Let's look at the totality of the income from fees, commissions and all that, from 500 and from 5.2 billion to 11.5. That's about 200% gain. This is massive. Look at the total income that they generate. Oh my God, man, this is massive. Total income 11.5 5.2 5.2. That's in totality of the income they generated was 121% growth in just total income. This is massive. Let's look at their operating profits. How much do they generate from the operation? The main operation, remember I told you they buy and sell. They are in charge, if you buy, if you sell, they make money. So let's look at the totality of operating profit from 1.9 to 6.6. Let's do the calculation together. This is massive. This is massive. This is massive. So the operating profit from 6.6 billion. So they make around 247% in terms of operating profits. This is massive. Their Q3 has not been released. This is Q2. What is going to happen in Q3? Oh, I'm already seeing a lot right now. I don't even want to talk again. This is a massive stock. So where do you buy? Okay, when do you now buy this stock? When do you buy? Okay, so let's look at the chart. Let's look at, because I don't want you to buy at the top. Okay, there's high probability that it may drop to there's high probability that it might drop to 128. If it drop to 128, that's a massive time. That's a very good place where I'm waiting for it. I'm not seeing it around 115 naira. I'm seeing it around 128. If it dip to 128, that's a massive move for me. And I'm going to wait. If it break out from here, because entry is very, very important for me. If you break out from here, if you break out from 137 to 140, that's massive. There's nothing stopping it from hitting the all-time high of 175 naira, right? So if you break out from this region of 140, there's nothing stopping it, but it might decline to 128, which is a very good entry place for me, right? So I'm going to be watching this stock. Immediately it break out from 140 naira, that's a very good buy for me. Then if I'm investing 1 million, I'll just do 400 around this zone of 137 and wait and see the reaction. If it dip, then I'm going to buy more. If it go up, I will not even wait. I will enter. So that is the stock for today. So if you want to join our stock market community for early recommendations, okay, I already have. In fact, we're already working on 2027 stocks already. You don't want to miss that. The best time to buy 2027 stock is now, not January. So if you want to get that stock recommendation right now, there's a link in the comment section. Open that comment section right now to have you can see details there on how to join our community. All right, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so that anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you will be notified immediately. And until the next time, there's a video popping up right now. Click on any one of them. Keep learning, because when you learn more, you become better. Cheers.